everybody, thanks for joining us in YouTube land. This is Mike from Enviroscape LA. We're on Artesia Boulevard in Redondo Beach, and so we're actually doing some volunteer work today. The Enviroscape crew. There's a big community event that's happening. You can see over there by the truck. We got City Councilman Obaji here. We've got the police here, police presence, but not to write tickets, but to help. They're with the spade fork, and we've got a ton of residents here. So I'm really happy about this turnout. I wanted to make this video to show you some of the things we're finding. Now, one of the great things about this is that in this redo project that the city had done, they actually installed native plants. But the problems that we're finding are right here. This Bermuda grass was never dealt with, and so they put this landscape fabric. Look at that. It is incredible. This stuff is like a monster. So what we're doing is we're pulling up this so-called weed fabric. Now, the idea about weed fabric is that it is supposed to lay on top, and then the weeds won't go through. Why? I promise you, they will go through. And this just goes to show you that it's not the proper way the thing should be done. The real, quote, weed fabric of nature is mulch. About in this case, I would say 5 or 6 inches of mulch. You can see right here, the gentleman is actually, the Bermuda grass is grown over the weed fabric, and it grew right through it, and then it's growing on top of it. So number one, putting weed fabric down, and then number two, putting mulch on top of that, just lacks an understanding of what mulch is all about. I don't know why you would put mulch down on weed fabric, because the whole reason for mulch is to mimic what goes on in Mother Nature, and why you put mulch down is you're actually trying to bring the mycorrhizal fungi, and it creates a symbiotic relationship with the root systems. So if you put mulch on top of weed fabric, you're actually preventing that from happening. Bottom line is that the weed fabric just doesn't work. So instead, what does work is partnering with nature and putting mulch down with no weed fabric. So that's the bottom line. This is Mike from Enviroscape signing off, and we're gonna get back to work. Thanks for joining us. Take care.